Good morning, everyone. Myself Nikita from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya, Buffalo, Kent. And now I will tell you about my project title. It is Saving a Culture in a Little Room. Let me introduce about this topic, how I think about it. Like if we see in our modern India or in any type part of the world, we see that due to westernization or the globalization, we see that there is a influence of the various culture on a particular area due to which its traditional folk art or language, dresses, or we can say many things are uh, uh, getting extinct kind of. So I think there should be a little room in a village or any part in an area which have the cultural dress or art form dance which preserve in our room, so that if people don't follow its tradition, yet we have conserved the tradition of a particular area. So what are the main objective, like this what happen or what are the advantage we can see that we preserve and promote the culture of a village, of a town or a city. Also it provide the employment to the local uh, artisans or the dancer as they are working with the room. And how we can uh, work, or what are the features we can say, like we can see it's act as a museum, so we can uh, act as a tourist place also. The peoples can came here and see the tradition of a particular area, so it can earn money from that also with a ticket money or like that. Also the people of that area working on it, so they have employment. And also we also the conserving the traditions. And now and now we think about the implementation. So with the help of a government or NGOs, we can find a room or a building where we have different display sections. For example, we have a first room about the uh, clothes, how the about that particular area people, how their style of clothing. Then we have a for example, next room is about its art form, what out this for example the poetry, or about the utensils agar varieties have their on only also. And they should be about the room which have a documentaries which conduct in a own language, so we can also conserve the language with help of AI also. We have a particular video which teaches someone how to talk about a language. If there's a no teacher, local people come here can also learn the language also. And now think about we what are the outcome come from. As I told you, this can help the local peoples also. It can uh, help us to reconnect with our roots. And now I also have a feedback about it. Many people agree with this because they also want to conserve their traditions. And many things about that is can be a reason to about the employment. And also people say that it's a good particular idea because somewhere there's no tradition about tourism spot, so people can came here, they give employment to local people. So in conclusion, I would say that the saving culture in a room is not just a project, it is a movement to connect our towards our root. It's a dedicate to one room which every village in a heritage we can protect our identity, empower our people, and passes the essence of our culture to generation to come. This small step can bring a big change. So from the culture loss to the cultural pride. Thank you.